Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yeah.
Oh, she's cool.
Oh. Hey, get up here. She's gonna be really surprised. They didn't have the Tiny Toons. Yeah.
One, two, three. Everybody gets a hand.
Hannah, it's your birthday.
Yay, Hannah.
Hannah, happy birthday.
A unicorn. Watch this. Hannah.
Oh, scared her.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Sean. Happy New Year.
Wow.
I don't know, you people are
He says, you guys are strange, really strange.
You look like a unicorn yourself, man.
Really strange.
Here we go.
What's your
Sean,
phone,
Sean,
Vance?
honey, you're scared her now.
Let her,
That's enough.
let her reach for it, Sean.
She's new, though.
Okay, honey, okay.
Oh, she's
Oh,
scared.
that scared her. Oh,
Oh, wait,
Ryan, you told her to cry.
Okay, anyone have a match?
I think we're right up there.
Hannah.
There
Maybe
should be
not.
one.
She was really sure.
Cart matches.
See, that's how she was on vacation when she'd wake up, we'd be at someone's house and we weren't in the room.
Really?
I'd walk in and she'd just cry
I don't
and
like to
shaking.
see that.
Oh.
Surprised you
Hold
have
on to
stayed
that,
on.
Sean. Bring that to the game with you tonight.
Okay.
What? They're blowing. Oh,
Blow
boy.
it up.
Wait, we gotta give him a camera.
Yay.
Right. Yeah, this voice is about as tall as she is. Maybe I can.
Oh.
Gee. Let her get back to normal before you start doing it.
Do you want to blow it out? You want to blow it out?
Go.
Oh, really? Okay.
Hannah, go.
Blow it out. Look.
One.
You can blow it out.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you, Daddy.
Well,
Yeah.
Okay, cut
wanna
that
stick
cake.
your feet in your cake?
Put your prints in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let her.
We gave
Put
her
it
our
up
own
there
piece.
with her.
This ought to cut, shouldn't it, Mother?
Sure. I think.
Feels kind of weird. You want to taste here?
Both hands.
Get your hand in there. Just like Sean
Hannah.
did. He went. Did he? I made one little chocolate one for him, separately.
She's just not interested.
Give her a second.
There she goes.
That's
Take the
good,
candle.
Hannah. Now put that in your
Put your
mouth.
mouth.
Oh, right on the nose.
You want a bib for her, Nita?
Alright,
I don't
first
think
take
it's
the
gonna
bite out.
Hey.
Is that frosting or waxing?
Frosting from the cake.
Oh, look at that face.
Oh boy, that was
Look at
good,
that
wasn't it?
face.
And it needs a piece of cake and ice cream.
And what else?
Ice cream.
Nothing else.
Ooh, look at you. Hello.
I
Hi
think
there.
she'll appreciate that.
Yeah, we just sang happy birthday and Hannah took the candle and stuck it in her mouth.
I'm
and
not
she's
good at
nice
this,
and
guys.
warm.
Get a hold of it.
Good.
Lift up, lift up.
Verna
lift
brought
up.
cute.
Yeah, here you go.
Yeah. Well, hang don't on want any a ice second. cream, Jane, Sean? Nita's cutting the cake. I'd like to stuff some through the phone to you. With Nita,
Yeah.
it's Debbie.
Game tonight.
Yeah.
Jack?
Who's got the ice
Shine.
cream jug?
Right here. Oh no,
Here's-
that's
here's the work.
wonderful.
Here's
I
Sean.
just wish you guys could be here.
Here you go.
Nuts.
Huh?
Is this what
Yeah,
your
it's
cake
kind of
Oh.
long.
Would you like some
We
ice
just
cream?
couldn't wait to
Yeah,
come home.
just
In
a
fact,
little
New Year's Eve, Brian said, I'm gonna call tomorrow, see if we can't fly home early.
Wait, I got too many plates here.
Yeah.
Brian, would you
Hannah.
like some?
Give this to
Yeah,
Jen.
You didn't want any ice
He
cream?
got,
But she's
Janet, give me just a little spoonful.
Right?
I know.
No,
I know.
No
I
cake?
know. Well,
Honey, he's-
we're gonna.
That's
we
good for
forgot
strep
to bring
throat.
the VCR.
oh wait.
Brian's mom brought hers, so we'll just transfer the party.
Let's see
on
now, who
ours.
didn't, Anita didn't
So
get any
anyway, and
cake?
then when we fill out the tape, we'll send it to you, a copy of it. Yeah, so that's kind of fun.
Black and white.
Brian.
Got it? And this is from Grandma and Grandpa Crowley, Hannah.
Let's have it.
Here, Hannah. Here. Hannah. That's from Sean and Aunt Rose and Uncle Kurt.
Else you still want some coffee? Oh,
Yeah.
Cookie Monster.
Here, we'll take them out. Look. Alright. That's from Aunt Janet, Hannah. This is fun. Cookie. That is cookie, right? Are you gonna taste
The strawberry brownie.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa's time. You like that, Hannah? You can walk with that. I bet that'll help her too. It's funny the stuff that turns her on, you know? See, Han? We're gonna work with this. See if you can't get done, learn how to do it right.
That is cute wrapping, Anita. It's the happy birthday girl.
Oh, that's a kind
Shine like that.
Big Bird. All her, remember all the hundreds of dresses she seemed to have, and now they're all like micro size.
Oh, they do grow. Said she's not napped today?
Mm-mm.
Oh, how cute.
And then a little summer
Watermelon.
jacket to go
Oh,
with
how
it.
sweet.
She likes that. You see her?
Pretty. It's
That's
like little short legs.
pretty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you say thank you, Hannah?
Almost
Oh, no.
Nicky is the friendly dog.
Oh,
Yeah,